श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेशरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृति वेदान्तलक्ष्मणमुनीन्द्रकृपातबोधं तत्पादयुग्मसरसीरिहभृङ्गराजं त्रय्यन्तयुग्मकृतभूरिपरिश्रमं तं श्रीरङ्गलक्ष्मणमुनिं चरणं प्रपद्ये। श्रीमते रङ्गरामानुजमहादेशिकाय नमः। श्रीमते निगमान्तमहादेशिकाय नमः। श्रीमते रामानुजाय नमः। श्रीमते गोदायै नमः. Andal, incarnation of Bhuma Devi, born as daughter of Periyalvar and grew, and her devotion to Krishna also grew with her. To reach Krishna, she started doing Pavai Nonbu, like the Gopikas did in the Dwapara Yuga. Her Anukaram as Gopika came out from her mouth as 30 pasrams of Tirupavai. She has completed all the protocols and now she is in the Krishna's palace, and she gave the list of instruments what she required for the Vratam. The Shankam, Kanch, Sala Perumbarai, Pallandi Separe, Kola Vilake, Kodiye, Vitanime, everything she asked. Krishna also gave his Panchajanyam and Berivatyam what he used in his Kudakkutu dance, and Periyalvar to sing and to do Mangala Sasanam, Pirati as lamp, Garuda as flag, and his Pitamaram as Vitanam, Shamiyana to Andal and Goshti. In this 27th Pasuram, Andal asks to give what all they have to get as a result of completion of the Vrata. We will see the today's Pasuram and its meaning and the Divyadesham related to this Pasuram, that is Thiruvengadam. கூடாரை வெல்லும் சீர் கோவிந்தா உந்தன்னை பாடிப்பறை கொண்டு யாம் பெரும் சம்மானம் நாடு புகழும் பரிசினால் நன்றாக சூடகமே தோள்வளையே தோடே செவிப்பூவே பாடகமே என்றனைய பல்கலனும் யாமணிவோம் ஆடையுடுப்போம் அதன் பின்னே பார்ச்சோறு மூடனை பெய்து முழங்கை வழிவார கூடியிருந்து குளிர்ந்தேலோர் எம்பாவாய். Kudare, those who don't want to join with Krishna and hate Krishna and hate Bhagavan. So Bhagavan inevitably has no choice other than killing them, that is, be victorious over them, winning over them. This phrase itself clarifies that those who joins Krishna and want to be with Krishna, Krishna will lose us to them. He will not defeat the devotees and make the devotees to win over the Bhagavan. Vellum Sir, the gunas, his attributes. If anyone is enemy to Bhagavan also, he gives as many chances possible to correct themselves and mend their activities. That we saw in the case of Sishupalan also. Kudarai Vellum Sir Govinda. This Govinda Nama is not only for Krishna, this we can match to all the Dashaavatarams. Go means Veda. In Pralaya Kalam, he took as a Matsyavataram and saved the Vedas. So he saved the Vedas, which is called as Go. So he is Govindan in the Matsyavataram. Go means mountains. In Kurmavataram, he held the mountain during the churning of the Shirabdi. Because he held the mountain Go in the Kurmavataram, he can be called as Govindan. Go means Bhumi. He rescued the Bhumi, which is called as Go, from Hiranyaksha by taking the Varaha Avataram. So that is also can be called as Govindan. Go means singing, praising, Tuti. By hearing the Go, the Tuti of Prahlada, Narsimha Avasaram took place. So in Narsimha Avataram also, we can refer him as Govindan. In Vamana Avataram also, he measured the Bhumi with his feet. Go means Bhumi. So he can be called as Govindan in Vamana Avataram also. Again, Go is Bhumi. In Parashurama Avataram also, to retain Dharma in the Bhumi, in the Go, he killed all the bad kings to establish Dharma. So he is called Govindan. In Rama Avatara, as Chakravarti, he ruled the Bhumi. Bhumi means Go again, so he is Govindan here also. In Balarama Avataram also, he had the plough in his hand and he ploughed the Bhumi, which is Go. So in Balarama Avataram also, we can call him as Govindan. In Krishna Avatara, he protected the cows, so he is Govindan. In Kalki Avataram also, he is going to take the Kalki Avataram to establish Dharma. Go means Dharma also. So we can call that Avataram also as Govindan. Like this, we can match the Nama Govinda to all the avatarams of the Bhagavan. All Kudare Vellum Sir Govinda, Undanne Padi Parai Kondu Yam Perum Sammanam. We will sing about you only. Earlier, we were singing about the other people who are not so great also. But now we realized that Krishna is our savior and he is our only master. We all are his servants and do Kainkaryam to him only. So, Padi Parekondu Yam Perum Sammanam. We will receive the Sambhavana gift, the result, the fruit out of the singing about him and completion of the Vratam. And all is telling this gift should be Nadu Pugarum Parisu. That is, it should be celebrated by the world. When a charity is given by anybody by abusing or scolding the recipient, the receiver will hide that charity. In Bhagavad Gita also, Krishna says that the Dhanam which is preceded by Satkara is called as Satvika Dhanam. The person who is doing Dhanam should think that that recipient has given him a chance to do Dhanam. But here, Andal is expecting the Paris from the Krishna, who is the Supreme Being, Father to all Jivatmas. And Andal is not stopping the Bhagavan from giving the Parisu, the Nadupugarum Parisu. In Ramayana, when Hanuman went to Lanka, informed Sita about the Rama situation, got to know the Sita's plight, and he came back and told that to Rama. Immediately Rama hugged Hanuman. Rama was not having any gifts to give to Hanuman because he is not in Ayodhya. All he had is himself only. Yesha sarvasva bhutastu parishvango hanumataha. He embraced Hanuman. That is Nadupugarum Parisu. All the rishis in the Dandakaranam also was waiting for this hug. But Rama denied because this is only for Sita. But this is the special hug to Hanuma. A great devotee, a great bhaktiman could get this from Rama. Nadupugarum Parisinal Nandraga. That should be the good honor. Now Andal is asking Krishna to give Sudagame, Tolvalaye, Tode, Sebipuve, Padagame, Endraniya Palgalanum. Ornaments to adorn. Sudagame means bangles because these hands only have done the service. So it should be adorned with bangles and Krishna will be happy by seeing my hands with bangles. Tolvalaye to the shoulders. Bhagwan, when he hugs me, he will see the ornaments in my shoulders and it will make a mark in his body like the Shanku Chakram, Samasayanam in the shoulders of devotee. These marks will be in the shoulders of Krishna, then he will be happy with that. Tode, the ear studs. These ears only listened all his greatness, so it should be decorated. Moreover, when Krishna comes and wants to tell secret in my ears, he should see the Todu and he will be happy. Sevi Puve, when he smells my hair, I should decorate my upper ear with ornaments, Sevi Puve, and the flowers near the ears. And all things, wherever Bhagavan is going to touch me or embrace me and talk to me, I should adorn that organ with Abharanam dwells. In the second Pasuram, Andal said, Neyunnum, Palunnum, Mayittum, Malarittu Namudiyum. Because without Bhagavan, no ornaments will give joy to them. Now they are with Krishna and Andal wants to get all the ornaments as a Nadupugarum Parisu. Sudagame, Tolvalaye, Tode, Sevipuve, Padagame means ornaments to legs. Palgalanum Yamanivum. Like this, we will wear all jewels and ornaments and decorate our body. Then Adai Uduppum. Since the Vratam is over, during Vratam we were wearing simple, meager clothes only. Because now Vratam is over, we want to enjoy and we want to wear good saris. அதன் பின்னே பார்ச்சோறு மூட நெய்ப்பெய்து. On the Kudare Vellum Sir Govinda day, we will do Kshira Annam, that is cooking rice in the milk itself and it should be covered fully with ghee. Murangai Valivara, the ghee will be flowing through the hands. Moreover, When she is singing about Krishna and looking at Krishna, she is no more hunger. The Kshiranam she received is still in her hand only, so the ghee is flowing down through her elbow. Vyakyatas are experiencing each and every phrase in the Tirupavai like this. கூடியிருந்து குளிர்ந்து. This is important. All be together and happy. It is not enough that only one devotee is with Bhagavan and enjoying. All the devotees should come together and enjoy the Bhagavan. In the first pasuram also, Andal said that நீராட போதுவீர் போதுமினோ நேரிழையீர். She did not go alone to wake up Krishna and do the Vradam. She called everybody who are interested. கூடியிருந்து குளிர்ந்து. Huge gathering of devotees will make Bhagavan happy. If Bhagavan is happy, devotees will be happy. This is the mutual happiness. The ornaments she is asking, Sudagame means it is a Bhagavad Aradhana with the hands. Tolvaliye means Samashayanam. Shankh Chakradharnam in our shoulders by the Acharyas. Tode means Tirumandiram, Dvayamantram and Charmaslokam preaching by Acharyas. Sevipuve, the Dasya Namam given during the Samasrayanam. Padagame, adorning the Tiruman Kapu with the Padaduli of the Bhagavan. Enjoying Pal Soru Muda Neipedi means we will enjoy the Bhagavan with the Tiruvaimozhi Pasurams. Pal Soru Kshiranam is Perumal and the ghee is the Tiruvaimozhi Pasurams. Our Purvacharyas tells that this 26th and 27th Pasuram gives the meaning of Moksham. These two Pasurams clearly conveys what Mukti as per the Vishishtadvaitam and Sri Vaishnava Sampradayam. 26th Pasuram explains Muktatma will be equal to Bhagavan. Tada Vidwan Punyapape Viduye Niranjana Paramam Samyam Upayati. One who has extreme love for Bhagavan leaves this world, goes to Sri Vaikuntham and become equal to Bhagavan. So in 26th Pasuram, Andal received everything from Krishna and she also became equal to Krishna. 27th Pasuram, as per the Upanishad verse, Soshnute Sarvan Kaman Saha Brahmana Vipaschita. Such a great devotee will reach Sri Vaikuntham and there he enjoy Bhagavan and his divine attributes. Sarvan Kaman, the divine attributes. In Sharanagati Gatyam, Swami Ramanuja gives the list of his great attributes. Jnana, Bala, Aishwarya, Virya, Sakti, Tejas, Sausilya, Vatsalya, Martha, Varjava, Sauharda, Samya, Karunya, Madhurya, Gambhirya, Audharya, Chaturya, Stairya, Dhairya, Saurya, Parakrama, Satyakama, Satyasankalpa. Asankyeya Kalyana Guna Ganauga Maharnava. Jivatma enjoy all these gunas of Paramatma and Paramatma himself. Listening to this, Krishna is telling this is possible when you all are in Sri Vaikuntham only. But to go to Sri Vaikuntham, what is the eligibility you all have? Andal will explain the eligibility and the qualities what Andal and Goshti have in the next Pasuram. The Divyadesam referred for this Pasuram is Tiruvengadam, Tirumalai. In this Pasuram, the first line and the last line are the key phrases. The first line speaks of removing obstacles, Kudare Vellum Seer. And in the last line, Bhagavadas being together with Krishna, Kudi Irundu and Kulirndu, that means free from distress. During Ramanuja's time, there were several difficulties that happened at Tirumalai. Ramanuja removed all these obstacles and Ramanuja was given the title Appanukku Sangadi Alitharulum Peruman. Andal says Kudi Irundu. Nammalvar's desire is to be with Bhagavan without break and perform service. In Nammalvar Thiruvaimozhi, Olvil Kalamellam Udanai Manni, always doing service to the God. Kudi Irundu Kulirndu. Andal in her Nachiyar Tirumozhi refer Tirumalai as Kulir Aruvi Vengadam. So we can experience this Pasuram with the Divyadesam Tiruvengadam with the Pasurams sung for Tiruvengadam Tirumalai. In Nalar Divaprabdam, second highest number of Pasurams, that is 202 Pasurams, are dedicated for this Thiruvengadam. All the Alvars except Tiruppanalvar recited Pasuram on Thiruvengadam and the Malayappa Swami. Lord Srinivasan. Sri Alarmel Manga Nayika Sameta Srinivasa Parabrahmane Namaha. Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. Srimate Godaye Namaha.